Welcome back to PrepForge's Spring Boot series. Today, Spring Security Basics. Spring Security works by inserting a chain of servlet filters in front of your controllers, so every request is authenticated and authorized before it reaches your code. Rolling your own security is notoriously easy to get subtly and dangerously wrong. Spring Security gives you battle-tested implementations, wired declaratively. Think of a building with a single front desk. It checks badges, grants access to specific floors, and every door inherits the policy. You add it once. The central abstraction in modern Spring Security is the security filter chain being configured with a fluent DSL. Here you declare which URL patterns are public, which require authentication, and which require specific roles, with any request authenticated as the safe default. You choose the authentication mechanism, form login, HTTP basic, or, as here, a bearer token resource server. Two concepts underpin everything. Authentication establishes who the caller is, producing an authentication object stored in the security context. Authorization then decides whether that principal may perform the requested action. Two distinctions get probed constantly. First, authentication versus authorization, who you are versus what you may do. Practice saying it crisply. Second, when CSRF protection matters. CSRF defends cookie and session-based browser flows, where the browser automatically attaches credentials to any request. For a stateless token-based API, where the client explicitly sends a bearer token, the attack doesn't apply, which is why you'll see CSRF disabled there, like in our config. Spring also hardens HTTP by default, security response headers, session fixation defenses, and integrated CORS configuration for cross-origin browser clients. Close with the guidance that sounds senior, configure the filter chain explicitly, default to denying access, and open up only what should be public, and never hand-roll cryptography or session handling that the framework already does correctly. Security interviews reward humility about rolling your own. That's Spring Security Basics, the filter chain, authentication versus authorization, and the CSRF rule. Next up, JWT in the OAuth2 resource server. Like, subscribe, and stay sharp at PrepForge.net.